White sand, slow breeze, palm trees sway with me. Bare feet on the shoreline, you laugh, then you look at me. Blue water in your pupils, sun caught on your skin. So tall on your lips when you lean in. Ocean glow, take me higher, skin on skin by the beachside fire. Close your eyes, let it flow. We're drifting wherever the tide wants to go. Ocean blue, pull me under. Heartbeats rolling like distant thunder. Stay right here, moving slow in the afterlight of this ocean glow. Cool glass, wet hands. We draw hearts in the sand. Your name in my handwriting. Tide creeping in on the land. You say, promise you'll remember this night when the days feel cold. I just kiss you and won't let go. Ocean glow, take me higher, skin on skin by the beachside fire. Close your eyes, let it flow. We're drifting wherever the tide wants to go. Ocean blue, pull me under. Heartbeats rolling like distant thunder. Stay right here, moving slow in the afterlight of this ocean glow. Like the waves we rise and roll. Every touch writes on my soul. Leave your love and let it show. Ride this feeling, let it go. Ocean glow in your eyes, fade to black, then sunrise. Ocean glow, soft and low. Stay with me inside this flow. Little footprints in the shoreline. You're laughing as the foam rolls in. Salt on your lips, sun in your eyelids. We're spinning in the sea breeze again. Snowball adventures, we drift away. Blue sky, ocean waves, golden sand.